Hi Sagittarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 29th to August the 31st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Dalawa to, no? Kunin na natin. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. And kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel na catered for our international audience. Ayan. Kung hindi niyo po maabutan, pwede naman po kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Sagittarius, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Magsimula na tayo, no? Pagpasensyahan nyo na, ha? Yung boses natin baka paubos na, no? Kulang kasi sa tulog. Ayan. So, hinahabol natin to para sa inyo. Anyway, you already know they're waiting for you into this. So, meron talagang taong nangungulila dito, no? Parang sinasabi dito nung card na ito is, or ng energy actually, no? Miss na kita, gusto na kitang makita, gusto na kitang makasama, gusto na kitang makawakan. Gusto ko nang maramdaman, no, yung init ng iyong katawan. However, meron tayong mga kino-consider na mga factors dito. First, it could be a contract, no? Lalo na din sa mga OFWs, no? Hindi naman ako nagbakasyon. Sana nga kung bakasyon ito na umalis ako, na pwede akong bumalik agad. So, kailangan natin tapusin yung contract, no? Or, baka kasi doon sa iba, yung small percentage po na ito, baka kailangan kong magpagaling, no? Whether it is may sakit ako, parehab ako, no? We have to wait for that specific time up until I can return to you. But you know that I am waiting for that time or I am waiting for you. You can switch the energies, by the way, no? What I am reading here is the dynamic naman po, no? Pero, kumbaga, kung meron man ditong separations because of the away, no? Alam ko na kaya tayo nagkaroon ng separation, kaya tayo nagkaroon ng cool off. Hindi ko sinasabi na cut off na itong connection, no? Dahil meron tayong mga learnings and I am very open, no, for all the learnings na this relationship might want to for us, no, to either discuss or experience. So with the Justice and the High Priestess, so ang nakikita ko naman dito, I think the higher power, the High Priestess energy, parang meron, hindi man kayo nag-uusap in verbal form. Nakikita ko dito na sa sobrang kilala nyo na yung isa, whether it is through time or energetically, na alam nyong mahal nyo pa. This is just a piece of your relationship that both of you probably needed some time to think, probably time to also remove the toxicity, whether it is mind, body, soul, energies, no? But you know that I will be coming back. Ayan. The Four of Wands and the Moon card. Pero yung naiwan or yung nag-aantay, probably thinking of tuloy pa ba, diretso pa ba? Sure ba siya na hindi niya ako makakalimutan, no? So, kumbaga nag-overthink na agad, no? With the Moon card is clarified by the Page of Wands and the Knight of Wands. So, ang nakikita natin dito, for security purpose lang naman, no? Parang sinasabi niya dito, okay kaya na i-check ko yung mga social medias niya for my own sanity na rin dahil meron ng separations ng distance, no? Okay, para hindi ko na rin siya masyadong tinatanong, chine-check ko, no, sino yung mga kasama, no. Sabihin na, parang sabi naman din dito, I don't care if you call me praning or my friends call me praning, pero this is for my sanity. Wala naman kayo magagawa doon, no. I am protecting my mental health, no. With the Two of Pentacles and the Three of Pentacles. So this is this person's way of calming their mind, calming their energies. No, Two of Pentacles is clarified by the Ace of Cups and the Four of Swords. Ganun kasi kita kamahal. Ganun ko pinoprotektahan itong relationship natin. Ganun ko pinoprotektahan itong pagmamahalan natin. No? Especially kung meron na talagang anak. Or itong dreams and aspirations natin sa buhay na magsama, magpakasal. Ano? Ganun na kaseryoso yung relationship. With the Two of Wands, the Star, the Queen of Wands, and the Ten of Swords. So, the Ten of Swords, let's clarify the Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords is clarified by the High Priestess again, and the Six of Cups. So, parang hinihila natin yung araw para lang makita natin or para maging madali na kung kaya lang, no? Kumbaga sa blinds, no? Or sa switch, ita-turn off ko na tong switch para maggabi na, para bukas na uli pag binuksan ko, no? Parang hindi ko na matiis na makita ka. So meron talaga tao dito na ganun ang pangungulila. You know, for me to see you, for us to continue, no, this love affair. Hindi ko na mapigil pa, no. Marami din ako mga preparations na ginagawa para i-offer sa iyo pa nagkita tayo, no. Did I saw Eight of Swords in here? Pero itackle na rin natin even wala, no. Sa small percentage lang naman yun. Kasi nasabi ko kanina about rehab, what have you. Doon sa mga na-incarcerate, no. This might also be, we can use this card for that, no. Yung kung medyo, let's say, nakagawa ng mali, no. Nasa piitan, no. Hindi naman nagbago ang aking pakiramdam sa iyo, ang aking pagmamahal. Nandito pa rin ako hanggang sa paglabas mo, no? So, let's check the feelings of, it could be your feelings or it could be your person's feelings. I need you to help me, and we have been together for lifetimes. So parang someone already made an oath, no, for your person or for you na ikaw lang habang buhay. I will be waiting for you in here, no? But please also help me understand how I can also calm, no, this overthinking. Ayan. So, this is your reading, Sagittarius. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, no? I am seeing Sagittarius, baka kapwa Sagittarius, no? Leo, Aquarius, Pisces, Scorpio, Virgo, Capricorn, Libra, Cancer. So, Sagis, this is your reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel na catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo doon, at kung hindi nyo maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section, as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. So Sagittarius, kilalang-kilala niyo po yung inyong sarili, no? Kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, diretso na kayo dun sa ating website. Sa description box po ng video na ito, meron po siyang link, no? Click that link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Unang bubungad po sa inyong screen is yung question form. Ibaba nyo lang po siya ng konti kasi hindi kasya po si screen. Nandun po yung mga QR codes, and QR codes are labeled, no? So, nandun po yung name, number, for your reference, no? Of course, the QR codes are also there for you to help you without even typing anything, no? Pero pakiusap ko po, hindi porket nandun yung number, tatawagan nyo na po ako, no? Kasi I place that number for those who are for transactions and wanting to purchase using e-wallets, no? Yun po yun. Marami pong ways para i-contact ako, no? Or reach out to me. Yun po muna. Emails, nandun po, no? DMs, inboxes, no? Sa mga social media accounts, comment section, ayan. Doon po muna kayo mag-reach out, no? Tulad po ng sinabi ko, naghahabol po tayo ng videos, no? Kulang po tayo sa tulog, iba na po ang aking body clock. Baka po kung kailan po ako nagpapahinga, doon po kayo tumawag. So, or nag-video tayo, tumawag kayo, it's either mawawala ako dahil kakausapin ko kayo, and I need to create another video for that. Sayang naman yung time, no? For inquiries, nandun po yun, mga emails, no? Mga electronic mails, doon yun lang po ako i-contact. At saka may etiquette naman po tayo, no? Na kahit nga po sa professional, no? Or kakilala nyo na, okay bang tawagan kita ng ganyang time, no? Magpaabiso po muna, wag po tayo tawag ng tawag, no? Hindi dahil sa iyo kung kausap, baka po kasi may ginagawa tayo, no? Sayang ang time. Ayan. So, Sagis, makikita nyo rin po dun sa QR codes, yung 4 questions plus 1, no? So, 4 questions are discounted already, plus may libre pang isa, so take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, pakicheck po yung QR code, no? Everything is there. Kung gusto nyo po akong i-follow sa ibang social media accounts, especially if you want to see other videos na hindi po nakapost dito sa YouTube, tulad ng ng X-Files, no? Doon lang po siya sa Facebook, or Zodiac Memes na nandun lang po siya sa TikTok. So, click nyo lang po yung icons doon sa question form, no, or logos ng social media na gusto nyo i-follow. Nandun po yan. Ididiretso na kayo, hindi na kayo magta-type. Ayan. Kung hindi kayo nagmamadali naman at gusto nyo ng free reading with me, pwede nyo pong i-report itong mga fake accounts, no, na nasa description box. Screenshot nyo and then send it to the designated email po, no? So, pag nagapi po natin yung bubunot tayo. Ayan. So, this is your reading, Sagis. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.